answering the question, what's for dinner? Or you're surviving an apocalypse. Pantry goods are a must-have for every household kitchen. And never is this more true for dry pasta. Now, most people think that pasta is, well, Italian food. But most food historians believe that pasta actually originated in another part of the world, China. Now, unlike fresh pasta, dry pasta can last forever. All you have to do is store it in an airtight plastic container and place it in a cool, dry place anywhere in the pantry. Now, using an entire gallon of water for cooking can be good for fresh pasta, but for dry pasta, it's kind of like rice. You need less water than you think to cook that. Now to start, place a half a pound of dry pasta, it's your choice. Fettuccine, spaghetti, linguine, macaroni, etc. in a 3-quart saute pan. And then add just enough cold water to barely cover it, about 6 cups. And season it with a tablespoon of salt. Do not add oil to your pasta water. Now, place it over a medium-high heat, bring to a boil, and let it cook, stirring often until it's al dente, which means it's soft but still has a certain bite to it. Now, you can use a pair of tongs or a spider strainer to remove your pasta from the water and delivering it to your sauce. But unless if you're baking it, do not rinse your pasta. And do not dump away your pasta water. That liquid gold can help big time. You can add about half a cup of pasta water to your sauce to help it cling to the pasta better and thicken a little. As for fresh pasta, well, that's going to have to wait for another video. So until next time, arrivederci or sai chan.